Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get more public watch hours. To begin, focus on creating content that truly captivates your audience from start to finish. Longer, engaging videos naturally contribute more watch time. We will explore practical steps to optimize your video content and promotion. By implementing these easy methods, you can significantly boost your channel's public watch hours and accelerate your journey towards monetization and growth. The foundation of increasing watch hours lies in your content. Aim for videos that are at least 8 to 10 minutes in length, as these offer more opportunity for viewers to stay. Crucially, maintain high production quality with clear audio and crisp visuals. Your content should be genuinely interesting and valuable to your audience, encouraging them to watch until the very end. This sustained engagement is vital for accumulating those precious watch hours. Getting your videos seen is just as important as creating them. Actively promote your content on social media platforms where your audience spends time. Respond to comments and questions, fostering a strong community connection. This interaction encourages repeat viewership. Also, strategically use end screens and cards within your videos to guide viewers to other relevant content, keeping them on your channel for longer and increasing overall watch time. Consistency is paramount for long-term watch hour growth. Strive for a regular upload schedule, perhaps 1 or 2 videos per week, to keep your audience engaged and anticipating new content. Dive into your analytics, specifically audience retention reports, to understand where viewers are dropping off. Use these insights to refine your video structure and content, ensuring each new upload is even more compelling than the last, driving continuous watch hour accumulation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.